Hey guys, welcome back to Yaba's lesson. So today I'll be doing a song breakdown on how to play Judah by Dunsin. Okay, this is a very nice song, especially for beginners. Okay, so I did the bass cover on my second channel. I want you to go right there, check out the bass line I played to that song, because I'll be teaching you how to play some of it. Okay, and also if you're a beginner, please don't run away. I'll also teach you how to understand the song, how to play the song, and then if possible you can learn the bass line I played. Okay, but before I teach you how to play the song, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I won't be playing the song on this video because it has a copyright issue. Okay, if I do that, I cannot upload this video for you to enjoy. Okay, so if you haven't heard the song, just go to Dunsin channel. You see the song over there, and if you want to learn the bass line I played so that you can apply it to your own groove, go to this channel. Okay, the link will pop up over here. Click on it and go watch the video before you come and learn the bass line. Okay, so to my beginners, it was played on key D. Okay, and the progression starts from da 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 6. So it is 2 2 2 2 6 2 2 2 2 6 2 2 2, then your 4, then 3 3 6 again, 2 2 2 2 6, go 2 2 2 2 2 6 2 2 2, then your 4, then your 3, and to your 6. The second one, da 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 2. So you're doing that on the 6. Then to your 2 3 6 6. Then the ka 2 3 6. Okay, so let me give you some few simple bass lines you can apply to the song. Okay, so the punches on the song goes like this. When after Dunsin was about to end, da 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 2 6. So the punches is on the 6. 6 6 6 6 6 6 da 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 2 2 2 2 6 2 2 2 2 2 6. Okay, now you have understand the progression. Now let me teach you what I played on the song. That is the song I uploaded on my other YouTube channel, so that you can use this bass line and play it in a groove. Not that you'll be playing just simple notes the bass is played in the original song. Okay, you can also spice it up. Okay, so it goes like this. So when you hear that is where the keyboard starts. 2 2 2 2 2 6 2 2 3 6. From 2 to 6, then you'll be going to your 2 again. It fills to your 2. You see, 6 3 5 6 6 6 2. That is la, mi, so, la, 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 re. Then you'll be going to your 6th progression. So when you play re, that is your 2. Then to your 6, that is your la, do, ti, la, 1 7 6. Then now to your 2 again. You can just play it simple. La, ka, 2 3 2. That is 2 3 2. That is re, mi, re. Then now you won't go to the 6 again, you'll be going to the 4. So from the 2, you slide to your 4. So 4, that is your fa. Then you play re mi, because you'll be going to the mi progression. Re mi 2 3. Then your 6. Then you can start again. 2. So you can apply the fills I did on the 2 when you're starting from the 6. So 3 6 6 3 5 6 6 6 2. La, mi, so, la, 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 re. Please write them down. Okay, 2 5 1 6 6 3 5 6 2. Then you'll be going to the 6. Then you play 2 3 6. Then you'll be going to the 2 now. So I did something like this. 6 3 5 6 2 3 6 2. Then now you'll be going to the 4. So I did something like this from the 2 to your 4 progression. So 2 3 2 1 4. Do re do so fa. Fa 2 2 sharp 3. Then 5 6 5 6 6. So mi so la la. You understand? Okay. So there was a place where they played da 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 da. Even those sang along with that arrangement. So it goes like this. Or it's very simple. So 2 3 2 1 7 6. You understand? Okay. 2 3 2 1 7 6. So I go with my Judah. Da 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 2 2. Da 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 3 3. 3 3 3 3 6. You do it 2 times. Da 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 6 6. Da 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 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3. 3 3 3 3 6. You can decide to play just one note. Da 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 da. Da da 2 2 2 3 3 3 6 6. But this was the bass line I played to that portion. Da 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 da. And the second one. So it's very simple, okay? So now let's look at the first groove. 6 3 6 la mi la 2 6 2 re la re 3 7 3 mi si mi. Then your la mi la 6 3 6. Now the second groove is just the same, but now you bring in to the octave. So 6 3 5 6 6 3 5 6 2 6 1 2 2 6 1 2 6 6 6 6 6 6. That's the punches at the end of that part. Okay, so learn that too as well. Okay, there's something I want to teach you here. Mi si ti mi fa mi re ti si mi. You understand? So when you are playing that, you can bring that scale I can bring this when you want to change the atmosphere. Now to your 2, now to your 3, so you apply it. So you need to learn that very well. Okay. You understand? Okay, so I'll be bringing the full portion of the song. So I wish you good luck to this song. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.